to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So today is day 2 of the 25 days of Christmas and we're doing a snowman. So I first start off by using my dinner airbrush gun and some MAC airbrush makeup, and obviously the colour I'm using is white, but you can just use a white face paint for this instead of an airbrush gun, and I'm just covering my whole face, down my neck and kind of the top of my shoulders. Now I've done that, I'm now going to start with the eyes, and I'm using the Urban Decay eye primer for this. All the products I use will be linked in the description down below, but I just tap this over my lids and then I go into a dark blue shade. This is in the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. If they have it in singles I'll link it below, but if not I'll link one super similar to it. I'll start off by putting this in the crease, and this does take longer to blend out as I have face paint underneath it, so it's not going to be as smooth as it would be if you had foundation on, but it does the trick. I now get the Inglot Duraline and put this over my lids, as I'm going to use this as kind of like a glitter glue. I then get some fine black glitter and tap that over my lid, as snowmen normally have coal for eyes, so we're going to make this really dark and smoky. To avoid too much fallout, I got a tissue and just placed it underneath my eye while I was putting the glitter on. To get rid of that harsh line where the eyeshadow is and the glitter, I go into a black eyeshadow. This is by Urban Decay and this is my all-time favourite black eyeshadow. They do it in singles as well, so don't worry, it will be linked below. But I get this on a fluffy brush and put it into the crease so it's smoother. I hope this makes sense. I then get a smaller brush and smudge that black eyeshadow down to my bottom lash line. I now get my Marianne glitter fixer and just tap that over the centre of my eye, and then get some chunkier black glitter and place that in the centre. To do my brows, I use a black eyeliner, and then I get a fine glitter and just tap it over the brows while they're still wet. Next, I'm painting my carrot nose. So I get a orange face paint. This one is by Snazaroo, and I paint kind of like a rounded triangle around my nose, and then I fill it in with the face paint. As this is a very glam snowman, I have like a coppered coloured glitter, and it's a chunkier glitter, and while my nose is still wet, I just tap that over it. Then for the lips, I use the Marianne matte liquid lipstick in Freak Show. I then top that with the Urban Decay Special Effects top coat in Reverb. Once I've done that, I draw 3 black circles either side of my lips with black face paint, or you could use eyeliner for this, and this is going to be the snowman now. Once I've filled in these black circles, just like the brows, I tap over it with some glitter while they're still wet. To add to the look, I wore my glittered black bobble hat, and then I start to highlight using the Marianne Cosmic Lights palette, and I'm using the blue highlight in this, and I use it over my cheekbones. For lashes, I did have individual lashes on, but obviously you could wear fake lashes, but what I did is get some white face paint on a spoolie and just put it on as if it was normal mascara. I then go back into that dark blue eyeshadow that we used earlier and start to contour my jawline and bring it really far down my neck. I then line my waterline with a white eyeliner, and this is by MAC. I then use some iridescent glitter and tap it over my neck, my shoulders, my cheekbones and my forehead. On my shoulders I did use a darker blue glitter, so it really showed up against the white. So this is the final look of day 2 of 25 days of Christmas. I really hope you liked this glam snowman. If you did, please let me know by pressing the like button. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description down below, and my name is @brooke.ellis_. To make sure you do not miss any of my other Christmas makeup looks that are coming this 25 days of Christmas, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.
it slow.